The Mayo Clinic recommends that you avoid checking the box. Hi guys, welcome to the MedFitness Minute. It was several years ago that a paper published by the Mayo Clinic found that high levels of effort when you're strength training make a huge difference when it comes to getting healthier and stronger. And that makes sense. We've known that for quite some time now. But what they did is they made a formal statement that adults should avoid checking the box. That simply means that when you strength train, you're not getting much, if anything, out of the workout if you're not pushing yourself. And too many adults are making this mistake of just checking the box. They say, I worked out, great, that counts. What counts is effort. So when you show up to work out, give everything you have. Of course, stay safe in the workout, but don't overlook the fact that checking the box, just walking through the paces, is a big mistake.